Listen up. This is an AI-generated force spot. We got it from Google Bard AI a few months ago. Take these free Keno numbers and use them at your next casino visit. Also, subscribe for the exclusive AI Keno strategies for all Keno games. Okay, let's watch this video for a quick AI Keno win. Okay, the bet is 5, the coin is 10. Notice how AI likes to stay in groups? This time it's on the upper right. Keep that in mind. All right, let's go. Okay, 2 out of 4. Another one. Come on, let's go. Outstanding, a couple of 2 out of 4s. And we love that 3 out of 4. Last play. Could use a 4 out of 4. Darn. All right, 100 credits. Let's see what got us here. But of course, it was a 2 out of 4. Okay, I tell you what. Let's take these AI Keno numbers and increase the bet to make it really interesting and see how we do. Let's watch another video already in progress. Okay, let's continue with the same AI Keno force spot. As promised, the bet is now 4 quarters. Yes, let's catch up to this video already in progress. Wow. Yeah, that was cool. Okay, this 4 out of 4 win got us 172 credits. What are you waiting for? Write these lucky AI Keno numbers down. Also, subscribe for more exclusive AI Keno numbers for all Keno games. Say, you know what? For the next video, let's increase the bet again and see if we can make the AI Keno magic continue. So let's see how we do with this next video. Okay, as promised, the bet is now $3 each play. This AI Keno force spot has been lucky all morning long. Our subscribers tell us a hot AI force spot like this can keep you going long enough to make the bet even bigger. Subscribe and join the AI Keno community. Let's see what this video brings us. There you go. Okay, yes, there you have it. Yet another 4 out of 4. Write this lucky force spot down for your next casino visit. And subscribe for more AI Keno strategies. Beginners, AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video, and thanks for watching this video. See you next week.